If you're looking to take your email marketing to the next level, Mailchimp's advanced segmenting tools are a must. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to use them to target your audience with precision, so you can increase engagement and conversion rates. Let's start by talking about how you can access these tools. With Mailchimp, you can create segments based on a wide variety of data points like demographics, location, purchase history, and much more. First thing, head over to your Mailchimp account and go to your audience dashboard. You'll want to click on Manage Audience, and then select Segments. Now, the next thing is creating segments. It's all about narrowing down who you want to target. You can create a segment based on different criteria, like people who opened your last email, or those who clicked on a specific link. But here's where it gets really powerful. Mailchimp allows you to combine multiple conditions. This means you can say, I want to target customers in a specific location who opened my last email and also purchased something in the last 30 days. The possibilities are endless. Next thing, let's talk about dynamic segments. This is a game changer because you don't have to manually update your segments. When you set up a dynamic segment, Mailchimp will automatically update it based on new data. So, if a new subscriber meets your criteria, they'll automatically be added to the segment. This makes things easier as you don't have to keep track of updates manually. Moving on to the next feature, we have tag-based segmentation. Tags are a great way to group people based on behavior or interests. You can assign a tag to a user when they complete certain actions, like signing up for a webinar or downloading a resource. From there, you can create a segment based on those tags, which helps you deliver highly targeted emails. If you have specific campaigns, using tags can help you focus on your most engaged audience. The fourth thing to know about is combining multiple audiences. You can use Mailchimp's advanced segmenting tools to merge data from different lists, allowing you to create a single, unified view of your subscribers. This makes segmentation a lot cleaner and more effective because you'll be working with a consolidated audience instead of juggling multiple lists. Now, let's talk about how to use filters in Mailchimp. Filters are great for creating more precise segments. You can use them to filter by things like sign-up date, email engagement, purchase activity, and more. For example, you might want to create a segment of people who signed up in the last 30 days but haven't made a purchase yet. Filters help you identify these users so you can nurture them. Finally, I want to mention automation. After creating your segments, you can set up automated workflows to send emails based on specific actions or timeframes. For example, you can send a welcome email to someone who just joined your list or a re-engagement email to someone who hasn't opened your emails in a while. Mailchimp's automation tools allow you to stay in touch with your subscribers and nurture your relationship with them without having to lift a finger. Now, if you're thinking about trying out these advanced segmenting tools for yourself, I've got something special for you. You can get started with Mailchimp for free by using the first link in the description below, and even get some exclusive bonuses. That means you can try out these features, including dynamic segmentation, for free. So, that's how you can use Mailchimp's advanced segmenting tools to level up your email marketing. With these tips, you'll be able to send more targeted emails, improve engagement, and drive more conversions. And remember, click the link below to start your free trial with our exclusive bonuses.